This is your guy, Mr. Holistic, on a Monday in Indianapolis, coming from a viral weekend. We're gonna let this room fill up, and we finna get it popping today. What's happening, beautiful people? What's happening? Let's get situated. Let's get situated. Dun, 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 dun. Let's go. Let's go, family. Do, 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 do. What's up, beautiful people? What's up, beautiful people? As you come into this live, make sure you hit the notification. Make sure you like the live. Make sure you share the live. Make sure you do what you're supposed to do to be recognized in this live. Literally click the thumbs up, sit back, and let's get it. Buenos dias. Buenos dias, Patrice. What up, Jen? What up, Samantha? What up, Sean? I'm literally just coming back from the gym. It is cold as hell out here in Indianapolis. It was just 76 degrees, so it was like feeling amazing, but now it's like, it is cold. It is cold. But we got a lot of things to talk about. We got a lot of things to recap. So this is not going to be a long Wick talk because we got mindset at 8 o'clock. I have to be at the fairgrounds. I have a couple interviews at radio stations, podcasts, and news channels to be at today. What's happening? What's up, Selena? What's up, Hira? What up, John? What up, Jazzy? What up, Lorene? What up, Markel? I'm extremely excited. So today we're going to literally do a quick little market recap on like what the market is doing, what I'm expecting out of the market, where I see it's going. Like I said, like we saw a big retracement last week, and I think the market everybody's going to start selling this week. And I think we should literally start thinking about like, we might be in the initial phases of the bull run because that long pullback we had, you got NASDAQ back into the 19,000s. You got US 30 sitting at literally, where's Dirty 30? 41,000. You know what I'm saying? So you have a lot of information in the market that we can take advantage of this week because when you look at the high just of 30, the high on 30, I want to say it was 45,000. Yeah, 30 sitting at 41. 30 sitting at 41,382 right now. And the high is at 45,000. So that drop could have literally just wiped out everybody that was been holding on to those buys. And now it's going to basically shoot back up. I believe that. I can see that. I can see it happening. I'm excited. Yeah, gold at 3,000 again. So I'm excited. I'm excited. Because for those who know, I've been a long-term investor in gold for a very, very long time. Leave the day trading aspect of it. Leave the retail aspect of it. I'm personally on the delayed gratification part of it. You know what I'm saying? What is this saying? Subject, Chrome alert. Oh, we got somebody spamming. We got somebody spamming. It's okay. We're not paying no attention to you. So as you guys get into the live, drop your cities in the live so I can show your city some love. What's popping, beautiful people? If you have any questions, today is the day you ask some questions. Because anytime I'm not in my studio, you already know I'm doing the live stream from my phone. Let me get this clown out of here. How do I get this clown? Remove. Add a moderator. Report. Unwanted commercial content. Buyout. Yeah, see? Super simple. Boom. Put his ass in timeout. There we go. See, this is what I love about technology. You ain't even got to respond to the haters. You ain't even got to respond to the troll monsters. You ain't got to respond to them because they're gonna come, and that's how you know you're doing something right. What up, Houston? What up, Charlotte? What up, British Columbia? Look at these trolls. It's okay. Let's get them out of here. Boom. There we go. So simple. So simple. You see that? So simple. So simple. What up? What up, Chase? What up, Denora? What up, Wayne? What up, New Mexico? So when y'all see these little trolls coming in here, like I said, we had a crazy weekend. I guess I didn't pissed off the alphabet community. I didn't pissed off the alphabet community out here. So you already know how they get. Y'all already know how they get. Free Diddy. Somebody said free Diddy. This is why y'all ass is struggling. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. They on my ass. They on my ass, y'all. These fuckers on my ass this morning. This is so funny. And they think they be triggering me. They think they can get under my skin. You got panties on. You can't get under my skin. You dudes wearing panties, y'all can't get under my skin. No offense. No offense. I'm just saying. We know Victoria's Secret now. She made panties with dick prints. Let me stop. Let me stop. I know Vicky's secret right now. They gonna cancel me. They gonna cancel me. Patrice, they gonna cancel me. Victoria making jock straps right now. We know. Victoria's name is Victor now, so we know. Let me stop. Let me stop. They gonna get me. They gonna get me out here. I can't. Oh my God, let me reset. Let me reset. Let me reset. Oh, let me reset. They got me crap. Oh my God. Oh my God. I've never seen this type of shit in my life. I've never seen this type of shit. And they like using their thumbs so aggressively, like, y'all gonna pop some off. You got panties on, buddy. You ain't. That's like fighting in Stacey Adams. You ain't finna bust no grapes in Stacey Adams. Like you can't be fighting in penny loafers, bro. I had to. We 10 minutes in class. I got like another 20 minutes. Let's stay focused. Put a 1 in the chat if you new. Put a 1 in the chat if you're new. Oh. Question, do you think gold will go up past 3,000 before failing? I believe, let me show you guys something. Let me give you guys some conspiracy. I was talking to a really good friend of mine about something that I have. And my conspiracy theory on the gold hitting 2,500 came true. My conspiracy theory on gold hitting 3,000 came true. Where I messed up is I forgot that I was telling you guys to just buy gold from the beginning of the year. Don't worry about it. And then I got caught in the retail mindset. I got caught up in the retail mindset. And I'm not ashamed to say, as an educator, sometimes we get literally like zombified on a position or a projection, and we start forcing it. So when I looked at my record last week, that was the worst record I've ever had in trading in the last 5 years. I went 4-3. 4-3. All gold sales. Eliana, what's up, beautiful? Buenos dias. All gold sales. All gold sales. So that lets me know I was forcing projection when she was just going up. I could have just told y'all to buy from the beginning of the week. So this is my fault. I got caught up in like, oh, that bitch gonna drop. She gonna drop. She gonna drop. She gonna drop. She gonna drop. Oh, this is happening. This is happening. Oh, she gonna drop. Now you got shit popping off in our Iraq. I guess the ISIS leader been popped off. So let me show y'all something. that I've only talked to a few people about. Let's go to the debt clock. U.S. debt clock in real time. Let's find it. That shit moving. That shit moving. Dun, dun. Dollar to crypto ratio is $6.90 to $1. Let me find gold. Where? Let me Google. Let me get close to it. Savings per family. I don't know if you guys ever looked at the debt clock, but you might want to start peeping that thing out. You don't know what the debt clock looks like? This is what it looks like in real time. In real time. I was literally trying to find something for y'all. Where is it at? Anywho, I'll find it in it, but as class continues, I'll find it. But the price of gold on the debt clock is sitting at almost $9,000, $9,000 and some change. So when you start talking about $9,000 on the USA debt clock, and then you start talking about Doge, Department of Government Efficiency, getting ready to run up into Fort Knox, Jen, don't be doing me like that. I'm washing workout clothes right now. We multitasking. We're multitasking. Yeah, we're in trillions in debt. Like that's for sure. We're in trillions in debt over illegal income taxing the citizens and then giving that money away. Laundry ready, yeah, bro. Like I'm on it right now, bro. I'm like washing clothes. I just finished like washing all my dishes, folding everything. So I'm like, and I'm fresh out the gym. So the reason why I try to show you this, I can't find it right now, but I'll locate it and I'll post it into our chats. But the reason why I say what I'm saying is because imagine if gold is sitting at 3,000 in the manipulated foreign exchange market, because everybody knows the futures market is regulated, the stock market is regulated, only the foreign exchange market is not regulated. So therefore, the numbers are different. So when you go to a futures chart, a stock chart, like if you look at NASDAQ and stocks, NASDAQ and futures versus NASDAQ and like Owanda or like Pepperstone or whatever you may look at it, it's going to be totally different prices. And the difference is those others are regulated and this is not. So when you look at the price of gold sitting at like 9,000 and change, when you look at the regulated prices the unregulated price is at 3,000. So conspiracy theories say, what if overnight gold goes from 3,000 or say over time to the actual regular price that it's sitting on the debt clock? Somebody said, yo, I bought this shit last week. It's great. So much info. I love it. Even shows how much we should get back from Doge. You understand that? She could shoot. So let me show you. I don't know if y'all guys remember when I was telling you guys that we had 3 white soldier patterns on the day. Look at the week right now. This is the weekly. This is the weekly right now. You see that? You got, boom. Remember the daily? I gave you guys that daily. I said, yo, we got 3 white soldiers on the day. So that particular candle should be your drop candle. Remember that? 1, 2, 3. That's your drop. I was timing the drop, but we were too early. Look, I was timing the drop, but we was too early. I was trying to time the drop at 29.55, and she flew all the way to 3,004. You see, she flew all the way to 3,004 when I was in class. How many people remember the last Wick talk? And I told you guys, listen, this could be a trend line scalp to our big sell zone, the 29.44. Put some ones in the chat if you remember that. Put some ones in the chat if you remember that. I told you guys it's only a scalp. We should get 50 to 80 pips out of it. And if it goes up, get ready to literally sell at 29.52 to 29.55. This is exactly what I said. And I personally said I was not interested in the 40 to 80 pips up to the big sell zone. I'd rather just take the sell zone. Look at us. Boom. Understand that. And then the 29.44 was the actual play. Ew. You're talking 500 something pips, 500 something pips it went up. The 29.44 was the actual play. I said 52, 55. Alex had a 53.56. Alex had a 53.56. So that's how I knew. That's why I was like super confident, because we were talking before I went to class, and I was like, Alex was like, what y'all got on gold? I was like, I got a 52.55. He was like, bet, Brody, I got a 53.56. Let's do it. And I was like, shit, let's run it. And we both should have just said, y'all just buy. So let's get into some buying signals. Watch this. If you do not have the JCP app, which is, where's the JCP? Where is my JCP? Right here. It looks like this. If you do not have this app, go to your app store and download this guy right here. It is literally called the Japanese Candlesticks. It's literally this right here. The icon looks like this. That's what it looks like in your app store. Wait. That's what it looks like in your app store. Let's go to the app store so you guys can see it. Let's go to the app store so you guys can see it. So you guys know exactly which one to get. Let's just put candlesticks in so you guys can go get it. Let's take out the JCP. And boom, it should pop up. There she goes. That's it right there. Somebody screenshot that and drop it in the group. Somebody screenshot that. Shalom. Shalom. Assalamu alaikum. Yeah, they don't have the JCP app, but they got this one. Learn candlestick patterns. Go to this one right here. Everybody got it? Go to this one right here, because this is sauce of sauces. You can click your basics. You have your icons down here. This will take you to different parts, different things where you can test what you think the market is going to do. You think the market is going up. You think the market is going down. You have your profile right here where you can get started. You have your quizzes. Oh, let's go through some quizzes. Dragonfly Doji is a what signal? Somebody tell me, is it bullish or is it bearish? Which one is it? I'll wait. Is bullish? Bullish? Is it bullish? Let's press bullish. Boom. Correct. You see? So you got quizzes. Which describes a moving average the best? An indicator that shows the volatility of assets and price, A. B, an indicator that measures the strength of assets price movement, or C, an indicator that shows the average price of an asset over a period of time. Which one is correct? A, B, or C? Type it in the chat. Yes, Sean, you have it from a long time ago. Most people they can't re-download it. C? Boom. C is correct. So you have these little quiz, like, what is the most ideal length of the lower shadow of a hammer? Half of the length of the real body? 1 times the longer the real body? 2 times longer than the real body? 1.5 times longer than the real body? A, B, C, or D? Which one is it? Let's see what y'all know. What is the most ideal length of the lower shadow of the hammer? Everybody saying C? There we go. Beep. There she is. You see? So let me give you guys, let me turn the camera around. See why I do what I'm showing you guys. Because when you're traveling and you find yourself scrolling through like TikTok, you find yourself scrolling through Instagram, Facebook, or just find yourself literally just bullshitting on your phone. Put this app on your phone. Scroll through this. Do this. So when you have those basic ass questions, when you're watching me do technical analysis and me literally trying to literally show you how to get zones, you are putting in the extra work. If you're a basketball player, this is the ball handling drills. This is the one dribble pull up. This is the right hand, left hand, in and out, do the cones. That's what this is. That's the work that nobody sees. So when it's time to trade, and then you add your trading plan with your actual discipline and your actual work ethic, this is when it aligns. Because you can't expect the results from the work you don't put in. And if you're only showing up in class and taking trades in open bail or when I give them to you, you ain't putting in the work to teach your kids. Just saying, y'all should be hitting that like button. We got 142 beautiful people in here and 79 likes. So the 70 other individuals who are not liking it, shame on your ass. Shame on your ass. You should be a chatterbox. Don't get me giggling. Don't get me giggling again. Don't get me giggling again. So, the basics are highly important because knowing the basics, look, what is technical analysis, key terms used of technical analysis, the limitations of technical analysis, these first three things right here. You know what that does? You know what that does? So when I tell y'all, listen, let's do a top-down analysis, but I ain't even going to start on the week. I'm just going to start on the 4 hour because we already been on the week and it ain't even nowhere near the week. The market ain't even really moved. So we're going to start by trapping the daily candle, finding the gaps on the 4 hour. And because the market is not moving and it's consolidating, let's drop down to the 1 hour and let's find a buy zone or a sell zone there. If you don't understand that language, go find out what is technical analysis. Key terms used in technical analysis, the limitations of technical analysis, because people think because they can mark up charts, they can trade. And that is totally different. That is totally different. Oil up. What do you say? Oil is up. We just called a sale last night. We shorted oil. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you something. Patrice, let that motherfucker know what we did to oil last night. Let that motherfucker know what we did to oil last night. Gee willikers, Batman. It's too nasty. It's too nasty. She right back in our area. So we caught oil from literally right here last night. That little drop right there. Now she's back in the zone again. Hitting this retracement area, and only two things is going to happen with U.S. oil. Either she's finna drop from this 4 hour trend rejection. You see that? That's the history. She pulls up, she drops. Or she's finna break through right here, and then she's going to buy up. Either or, we're perfectly fine. So if you hit it again, right there, listen, you're already in profit. This is a daily chart. Look, let's go to a 4 hour. Let's go to the 4 hour. Let's find that money. Look, people are still in profit from the drop last night. You see, they just took their money right there. Pull back up, let it hit again. You take the trade until it leaves you. But the whole purpose of taking trades when it leaves you, you don't hit it with the same lot size or a bigger lot size the second time you hit. Yeah, I'm just saying. You can't hit. You can't. I'm not even gonna give you that analogy. I'm not even gonna give you that. You hear what the guy called me? Called me an old scammer. Called me an old scammer. And that individual was probably maybe like 15 years old, sitting in his mama house with fucking Tom and Jerry sheets. Oh my God, Tom and Jerry sheets. Get the fuck out of here. probably put Tom in the damn dress too. You probably put Tom in the dress too. So let's stay focused. Let's stay focused. Yo, Mag Swag, did you get them zones, baby? I know your boy was y'all was celebrating last night. You get them zones? If you didn't, let me know. I'll make sure you get them. So let's go back to the app. Let's go back to the app. Let's go back to the app. Bye, y'all. Bullish candlesticks. There we go again. What I like about this app, and then I got like 3 more minutes. What I like about this app, not only does it give you, boom, where it's at in the market, how to play it, but it also gives you the direct breakdown. Look at that. Small real body, longer lower shadow, little to no upper shadow, position within the trade, pattern psychology, previous downtrend, intraday decline, bulls take control, potential reversal of confirmation. What does the pattern look like? You see, it gives you all of this. In conclusion, the hammer candlestick pattern is an essential tool for traders and investors to identify potential bullish reversals after a downtrend. However, like all candlestick patterns, it is crucial to use the hammer in conjunctions with other technical analysis tools and not to rely solely on it for making trade decisions. So that's what it basically tells you, and it's a signal, and it gives you the video, the breakdown. Boom.
The hammer pattern. The hammer candlestick pattern is a bullish reversal pattern that signifies a potential turnaround in price. It typically forms at the end of a downtrend and signals the possibility of a bullish movement starting. It's called a hammer due to its shape, which resembles a hammer with a long handle and a small head. What the pattern looks like. The hammer pattern is formed of a single candlestick, which has the following characteristics. Small real body.
Y'all got that? So versus giving you a zone today, what I gave you is an app to enhance the work you put in when nobody's watching. This is what I gave you today. And that is way more lucrative than me giving you a zone and watching it play out and you just making money for today. I just gave you a tool that allows you as an individual and a future inspired trader to jump on that app. Ivan, we're going to drop the screenshot in there. You're going to be able to jump on this app and start being more constructive with the gym work that you need to be putting in to get more consistent in your performance in the foreign exchange market. I get on the plane, I get Wi-Fi. This is what I'm looking at. So people say, yo, Mr. H, how you so fucking accurate? Bro, I put in the work. I put in the work. So when I see the market moving all crazy, it don't freak me out. Why? Because I'm understanding what reversal patterns mean. I'm understanding what market structure mean. I'm understanding when the market is being manipulated with literally institutional money. I'm knowing what order blocks are. I'm knowing what liquidity grabs are. I'm knowing where the stop loss hunters are. I'm knowing where all of this action is at. And the only way you know is when you study and you put in the work. Because you show up in class and because you're making money, that don't mean you know what you're doing. The key is, can you take what you're doing and pass it down to your children and they do it? That's the flex. That's the biggest flex. Anybody can mark up a chart. Anybody can find a gap on the 4 hour. I show you this directly. Go to the daily. I got literally like 30 minutes. And I need to shower. Not shower, but I need to shave. Let me show y'all this real quick, just to show you how simple it is. Watch this. Somebody call out a pair. Somebody just call out a pair. Type a pair in the chat. Somebody call out a pair in the chat. Somebody call me out a pair in the chat from the watch list. What you want? NASDAQ? Mama want NASDAQ. Mama gets NASDAQ. Y'all know the diamond. But watch this. We're going to delete all. Everybody that was in there last night, you still have the zone, but watch how it happens. You can go straight to your day. Watch this. Boom. Day chart. Daily candle right there. Y'all see it? What is that? I don't know what just happened. Okay, here we go. Daily chart, daily candle right here. Boom. Orange. We're going to keep it real simple. Daily roof right there. Gap right there. 4 hour. Boom. Gap. Liquidity. Must feel. You see? Look, that is a must feel. I want you to see it. That here, this gap, that's a must feel. So what I would do, I would just give you a zone right here. Boom. You see? Just like that. Anybody can find fish in the foreign exchange market. Just like that. Buy out. And I go beep. Red. It's a sell zone. Buy out. You see? Just like that. Just like that. That is just that simple. Now, to manage that, to literally execute that, and to receive profits out of that, that's the work you put in when nobody watch. You see? Because ain't nobody watching you trade. You just trading with people. This is the work you put in when ain't nobody watching, because you still getting anxiety when you pressing the button. You still getting hella nervous when you pressing the button. You still losing all aspect of knowledge, of the basic foundation of knowledge that you have when you're trading, and you're freaking the fuck out and you're panic closing for no reason when you know what you're looking at. You know you got knowledge. You know you have other people that are around you in a community that knows exactly what you're doing, but you keep your mouth closed because you know you're not putting in the work. You know you're not putting in the work, so this is why you don't ask the question. Literally just that simple. You can find gaps anywhere on the market. Now watch this. If I just want to be aggressive, I say, yo, why do I need to wait? Look, y'all know I like waiting for the max overbought. See how it's just in the overbought area? I need max overbought. I need the max overbought area. So when I find the max overbought area, which is here, look, it's here, I can immediately see how much space is left. Buy out. Make it red. Look, see that space? I want y'all to see it. Y'all see that space between there and there? That's the same space between that and that wick. So if I want to be aggressive, I say, yo, here's a zone right here. It's hella aggressive. It's a sell zone. Hella aggressive though, but it's proven. It's aggressive, but proven. Boom, right there. And as she pulls in there, you'll see she already pulled back because of this wick here. You see? This is how you find the zone. But finding the zones is super simple. Managing the trade is what's hard. Overthinking it is what is hard. Like, you got to stop overthinking because trading is super easy. So you want to get onto this mindset that I'm going to give you guys, because the mindset is going to be absolutely amazing when you start talking about learning the wrong thing well. And that's what today's mindset is going to be about. Learning the wrong thing well, especially when it comes to finances. And I'm going to break down almost 7 steps to prove that you learned the wrong thing well and that we need to do better. And that's what we're going to be talking about from literally like 8 to like 8:30. Right now, I'm going to go shave real quick, fresh up, get ready, because like I said, I'm going to be on the news today. They're going to be thinking I'm going to be talking about that Trump shit. I'm going to be talking about straight OBGYN genius. They have no clue. Y'all remember that black guy that they started talking on the news? He was like, hold up, wait a minute. Something ain't right. Like, this is exactly how I'm going to be on the news. They're going to be like, so what happened at the Chatterbox this weekend? So see, what had happened was they were supposed to be signing up for that elite package. They were supposed to be getting that elite package. I sent them the link. They was literally not pressing the link. So I had to go there physically, sign their asses up. What is the elite package? Oh, see, we doing technical analysis for a public trading company. We helping people have a better relationship with money. They were like, sir, but what about Trump? This ain't got nothing to do with Trump. Sign up today. We got discounts. We got discounts. Hold up. Wait a minute. Is this what this interview is about? Shit. I won't be surprised if they don't cancel my ass. I won't be surprised if they don't cancel my ass. But we had 7 million views on TikTok, 500,000 on Instagram. And I got death threats from people in panties. You can't make this shit up. Death threats with dudes in panties. I can't. I love you guys. For those for those who did not get the name of the app, whoever screenshotted the app, please drop it in the class, drop it in the chats for everybody can get it. They don't know, man. And I be trying to be so nice. I be trying to be so cool and just keep my little demon inside and just like, yo, bro, it's okay. We don't have to bite their heads off. We don't have to prove any points here. There's no need to go dark. There's no need to black out and just There's no need. So I'm excited today. I'm excited. So I love you guys. I'll see you guys in another like 20 some minutes for the mindset. Oh my goodness, this is hilarious. My comments and my DMs and my message requests are so funny today. They are so funny. But let me just do the recap. Go and do the work that nobody sees, and you'll get results that nobody is getting. It's literally just that simple. I love you guys. Y'all make the rest of your day the best of your day. I'll see y'all super quick. I'll be right back for the 8 o'clock mindset. And it's going to be a good one. It's going to be a really, really good one. And it's going to prove why you've learned the wrong thing well and what we need to be doing to do better. It's just that simple. I love you guys. Y'all take care. Deuces, beautiful people.